You're almost there, Mom.
Yeah. Not really, but it's deep.
Nice.
One, two, three.
Almost there, Mom. Keep going.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Do it again.
That was scary. Jump off the ladder.
Almost there, Mom.
Seperti ada mengapikan balkon waktu itu. Ada kita picture sekarang dia.
Yeah, almost there.
Kena baju pasti.
Hey.
Lost my butt. Where you bring your balloon?
This is a big bag. What did you bring? I thought you guys were gonna bring the thing. There's a cable.
Dad, is that the cave I can go under?
No, it's
No,
the
it's
other
that
one.
way.
Where?
That way.
It's not here. It's the other cave.
Go under there, but it ended up
It's it. What's it called? Piula. That's the one you can't see the other side. You gotta
Almost there, Mom.
Three more.
Nice.
Two more.
Good job, Mom.
Well, usually you have a lot that's just. Okay, let me go see what side.
Mom made it. Here, Dad.
No.
Can you catch it? I was gonna jump.
Oh no! Don't jump. Don't jump.
Was it deep?
It's deep, but don't jump from up there.
Don't jump from there. Jump from there.
Dang. Really?
Touch the floor.
That sucks.
Don't jump.
This is
Just
huge.
put it back there. The phone system.
Good job, Eva. Okay, Eva.
Yeah.
Okay, Eva.
Eva, pasangan mai. Oh, Eva. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Good job, Eva. You wanna go again, Lofa? Yeah, I do.
Damn, she almost jumped on you, Dad.
No, I thought was one of them. Go over there.
Do you like that?
Go, Lofa.
Sakit weh. Jangan ke sia-sia.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, Lofa, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oka.
Good job, Lofa.
Eva, aira ye man na yo lo soso. Ai, que vera soso,
Okay, let's go. Go selfie.
Alvin.
Alvin, catch him.
Aku ya. Tinggal.
Come. 1, 2, 3.
baby, go.
Wow, too thick. It's getting hot side, baby.
Is it? Yeah.
What to do?
Ma, mga abelaw. Kika, lai fasam.
Wait.